In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link HubSpot with ManyChat. If you want your marketing and customer communication tools to work more smoothly together, connecting HubSpot with ManyChat is a great place to start. This integration helps you keep your contact data organized and makes it easier for both platforms to support your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or portal if you manage more than one, because integrations are usually connected at the account level. Once you're inside HubSpot, take a moment to confirm that everything has loaded properly and that you have the necessary permissions to add or manage integrations. If you don't see the options mentioned in this tutorial, it may simply mean you need admin access. Next, head over to the HubSpot Marketplace. This is where HubSpot lists available apps and integrations that can be connected to your account. You can usually find the marketplace through the main navigation or settings area depending on your layout. If your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. HubSpot occasionally updates its interface, but the marketplace is still the destination you're looking for. Once you're in the marketplace, search for ManyChat. Use the search bar and type in the app name carefully so you can find the official integration. When the result appears, click into it to review the app page. This is a good time to quickly look over what the integration supports so you understand what kind of connection you're about to set up. After that, click Install and then log into your ManyChat account when prompted. This step links the two platforms together, so just follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. During this part, you may be asked to approve permissions. Read through those prompts so you know what data or actions the integration can access. That's normal for any app connection and is an important part of setting things up correctly. Once you've completed the login and authorization process, the connection between HubSpot and ManyChat should be established. If you see a confirmation message, that's a good sign that the setup worked successfully. It's also a good idea to double-check the integration page afterward to make sure everything shows as connected. And that's it. You've now linked HubSpot with ManyChat. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general approach whenever you connect other tools through the HubSpot marketplace.